In Sunanda case, we're getting some breaking news. The judge has sought vigilance report on this case as both the prosecution and defense, they've already started their arguments in the Sunanda Pushkar matter, and judge says that he's committing it to Sessions Court. In fact, matter is committed. We're going to in fact get Atul to tell us more and what really this means legally speaking. Rhythm is on phone, our legal editor, to tell us more. Rhythm, can we say that now this case has been put on a fast track? It's moving fast from here now?
Well, what we can tell our viewers is till now this case was being heard in the other court. They have now committed the case to the Sessions Court, which means all the charges that have been made in the case will finally be heard. The criminal trial in the case will begin now. Till now, there was only the basic perfunctory that was going on after the charge sheet had been filed in the courtroom. Now what really is going to be clear is after the scrutiny of documents, arguments was given by senior counsels for Tharoor, Vikas Pava and others, it was clear that the court had asked them for some time to finish the scrutiny. Remember, Sunanda Pushkar was found dead in the suite of luxury hotel in Delhi on the night of 17 Jan 2014. The court had allowed Tharoor's plea seeking exemption from personal appearance. The court had directed Delhi police to hand over various documents filed along with the charge sheet to them. Everything perfunctory that had to happen. Also remember, the court had on June 5th summoned Tharoor, observing there was sufficient ground to proceed against him. He'd been charged under sections of 498A, that his husband or his relative subjecting a woman to cruelty, and 306 of abetment of suicide of the Indian Penal Code, and had not been arrested. The big breaking news that Atul Krishnan is getting us from the courtroom is now the court has been, the trial will finally begin against Shashi Tharoor. The requisite documents that were needed have been given to his counsel, Vikas Pava. Sessions Court will hear the arguments on 21st of February. Patiala House Court has sent the Sunanda Pushkar death case to the Sessions Court. Trial against Shashi Tharoor in this case will now begin once and for all. Sakal.
Which means this is a big development, because when Session Court says that the argument is going to come on 21st, but what is more important, Rhythm, continue to stay with us, that Sessions Court has said the trial to begin against Shashi Tharoor. Well, that could be seen as a setback for Tharoor?
More than a setback, what really happens is Republic TV has been at the forefront of trying to understand what happened. Why was there not a proper investigation by the SIT? All those factors that were hidden from the view for the last 5 years will now come out, because this clearly means that the criminal trial in the Sunanda Pushkar case has begun. This has begun against Shashi Tharoor, husband of Sunanda Pushkar, and he had been earlier even charge sheeted in the case. He was the only person, the Thiruvananthapuram MP, who was charge-sheeted. He was granted regular bail on 7th of July last year. He appeared before the court. The court on June 5th had summoned Tharoor, observing there was sufficient ground. The charges against him and the charge sheet that had been filed by the police were under sections 498A,
a
husband or his relatives subjecting a woman to cruelty, and abetment of suicide, 306
हमको दे दिया उन्होंने. ये एक मैंडेटरी रिक्वायरमेंट होती है. अब उसके बाद क्योंकि 306 जो है ये ट्राइबल बाय कोर्ट ऑफ सेशन है, तो ये केस कमिट होता है कोर्ट ऑफ सेशन को. वो आज कमिटल हो गया है. 21 फरवरी की डेट लगी है. अब सेशंस कोर्ट में हमारा अपीयरेंस होगा और वहाँ पे आगे की प्रोसीडिंग्स वहाँ होंगी.
सर, कुछ प्ली भी लगाई गई थी इस मामले को लेकर, उनमें क्या कहा गया है?
उसमें एक्चुअली डॉक्टर सुब्रमण्यम स्वामी ने एक एप्लीकेशन फाइल करी थी, जिसमें उन्होंने कहा था कि वो इस केस को प्रोसिक्यूट करना चाहते हैं एज अ कंप्लेनेंट. तो उसमें बड़ा डिटेल आर्गूमेंट हुआ था. हमने ये बोला था कि स्वामी जी को कोई लोकस स्टैंड आई नहीं है इस केस में इंटरफेयर करने का, एंड ही इज़ अ स्ट्रेंजर टू द प्रोसीडिंग. इस पर काफ़ी सारे जजमेंट भी हैं सुप्रीम कोर्ट के. उस पर कोर्ट ने एक डिटेल्ड ऑर्डर आज पास किया है और उनको बोला है कि उनको कोई राइट नहीं है क्रिमिनल ट्रायल में पार्टिसिपेट करने का, और उनकी एप्लीकेशन खारिज हो गई है आज.
इंग्लिश कर लेते हैं. What happened today in Sunanda Pushkar matter?
हाँ, in this case, since the charge sheet was filed and there was the inquiry for the submission of documents, for the supply of documents which was going on in the court has been concluded today. All requisite documents have been supplied. Although there is some discrepancy which we'll point out to the Court of Sessions, but that exercise is over, so case has been committed to Court of Sessions. 306 is punishable by Court of Sessions, so trial will be conducted by the Sessions Court. So it has been committed today, and the next date is for 21st of February.
What court said about the Subramaniam Swami?
Dr. Subramaniam Swami, who had filed the application right in the beginning, saying that he has a right to assist the prosecution. He has a right to prosecute on his own. He said, I have a right to prosecute on his own. That was argued at length a few dates back. The order was reserved and the order has been passed today and his application has been dismissed. We had argued that Dr. Subramaniam Swami has no locus in this case because he's a stranger to the proceedings. In a criminal trial, it's a state case. It's only a state which has the power to conduct the investigation and the trial also. So that application has been dismissed and a detailed order has been passed. I have not seen the order as such, so the moment we'll get it, we'll share with you.
So what the court has said about the vigilance report?
Dr. Swami had filed an application that there is a vigilance inquiry which has been conducted by the police, and the court has dismissed that application also, that the court doesn't have a right to call for it because Dr. Swami doesn't have jurisdiction to be in the court, doesn't have the locus standi. But the court has directed the Commissioner of Police to preserve that report. In case during the course of trial the session court feels appropriate to call for it, then at least that is available. So that protection has been given that the document should be preserved.
Thank you,
Are in a position to be supplied have been supplied to us, although there is some discrepancy which we'll point out to the court, Sessions Court. So the case has now been committed to the Court of Session for trial. So rest of the proceedings will be conducted in that court because it's a case of 306. 306 is tried by Court of Session.
The magistrate has also asked that vigilance report should preserve, and if it will need, so preservation should come on record.
No, the learned magistrate has disposed of the application filed by Dr. Subramaniam Swami. Dr. Swami said that the report should be called. And the learned court has said, sorry, I don't have the power to call for the report at this stage because there's an inquiry for the supply of documents. So the court has dismissed the application, but the court has given a direction to the Commissioner of Police to preserve that report. That if sometime in future that report is required, it should be available. That's a direction given by the learned magistrate.
Thank you very much for speaking with us. With the journalist Nursing, I am Atul Kirsan in Delhi reporting for Republic TV.
So the big news coming from Top Court is that the trial against Shashi Tharoor is going to now begin soon. 21st February is the next date as the case has now moved to Session Court. Requisite documents supplied to Tharoor's counsel Vikas Pahwa. That's the submission by Delhi Police as now Sessions Court is going to hear the argument on 21st February. And finally now, Atul, just to put this in perspective, you had that word with the council. Now, trial against Tharoor is what looks all set. Over to you. Okay, We'll try and go back to Atul in a bit, but what we are breaking right now is that the Session Court is now going to take up this Sunanda case, and trial against Tharoor is going to, in fact, kickstart on February 21st. That's the date set by the Top Court today. Also, the judge has asked for the submission of the vigilance report, which means, Atul, as Atul joins us with all these breaking inputs, that now the case is going to, this has given certainly a good momentum as far as the forward movement of this particular case is considered, especially trial against Tharoor to begin on the next date, that is 21st of Feb. Atul.
Well, now the matter has been transferred to Session Court, and Session Court is likely to frame charges on next date of hearing, which is 22nd of the February. The magistrate, which was also hearing the plea of Subramaniam Swami, has noted down that there was indeed a vigilance report, and it should be preserved by the Commissioner of the Delhi Police, and he has written a letter to Commissioner of Delhi Police that this vigilance report that is in a matter of Sunanda Pushkar should be preserved, and whenever they will need that this report should come forward, this report should be put on record, this vigilance report should be on record, and it can, lead to some kind of submission, like Shashi Tharoor might fall into more trouble, because in this report, this is what we are learning from the sources is that this report is against Mr. Tharoor and against the entire team of Delhi Police, which are looking into the matter. And Subramaniam Swami, which has moved this plea, though this plea has been dismissed by the court, but court has clearly mentioned that indeed there was a vigilance inquiry, and this inquiry should be preserved by the Delhi Police Commissioner. The second thing is that the matter has been committed to the Session Court, and the hearing is coming on 22nd of the February. On 22nd of the February, the court will again hear the argument and is likely to frame the charges.
Rhythm, our legal editor, joins us on this broadcast. Rhythm, what does this mean now, legally speaking? The case is now on the fast track. It's really moving fast from here.
Absolutely, and this is the big breaking news coming in on a case that has been actually brought to the forefront by Republic TV with its relentless coverage. We've been asking questions about the reason why or whether there was poisoning, whether there was any abetment to suicide. Investigation after investigation has happened on the channel to try and understand what could possibly have happened. Today, finally, trial begins in the Sunanda Pushkar murder case. It happened in 2014. She died under mysterious circumstances in Hotel Leela in room 345. Republic TV's SIT investigator Prema Sridevi has been at the forefront of trying to gather what really happened. We've tried to speak to the Delhi police. We've tried to speak to the SIT that was conducting an investigation. Today, finally, we remember last year there was a over 3,000 page charge sheet that had been filed in the case by the Delhi police. Shashi Tharoor is the only person who's been mentioned in the case. Charges against him of cruelty and abetment to suicide are there. Finally, a trial begins in the Sunanda Pushkar case. This will be against her husband Shashi Tharoor. Why this becomes so crucial is because the mystery surrounding the death had left everybody shocked. And I'm reading out what's actually there because they said that apparently the charge sheet, the Delhi police's charge sheet says Tharoor was subjecting Pushkar to cruelty and sought to summon him to court. He had come to the court. The court took cognizance of this charge sheet that was filed by the Delhi police last year. Summons were issued. He appeared before them. He was given the bail that he was looking at. But very clearly, it's going to be seen as final culmination of a case in which several people tried to ensure there was no trial. Republic TV was alone trying to gather whether something could happen, and finally the case has been committed to a sessions court. Trial begins in the Sunanda Pushkar case, finally after 5 years.
But how crucial is this vigilance report that has been sought by the judge here? How crucial is that bit?
A vigilance report is also there that could also be submitted here, but the big breaking that could actually be seen and the big takeaway would be all the records and evidence that was needed to be given to Shashi Tharoor's counsels were given. For the last few days, they were asking for documents. Those documents were being scrutinized. So since last year, when this case, actually a charge sheet was filed, it took a really long time after dates and adjournments that this case could be committed
so criminal
to a sessions
proceedings
court.
Or criminal,
it clearly means only one
criminal
thing.
trial or criminal proceedings will be initiated against Shashi Tharoor on February 21st, and that's the next date of hearing that has been set. We're going to, in fact, take a very short breather here on Republic TV. We'll be back with more.